What's going on, everyone? In this video we mic'd up the exhaust and engine bay in my buddy's MK7 GTI. He's running an APR Stage 2 tune. This is the high torque 93 octane file. Because of that, he also has an upgraded clutch. I forget exactly what it is. I think it's some sort of Stage 2 clutch. It does have the pops and bangs, which you're going to hear in this video. He's running an integrated engineering intake and a diverter valve spacer. Those two combined are really amplifying that, factory diverter valve sound. And he has a APR Catted Downpipe and an AWE track exhaust. So this is a pretty loud GTI. Still kind of learning the process of miking up the cars. Thought you guys would enjoy this. We got some pretty sweet sounds coming out of this. So go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to have more content both on my personal car as well as other cars like this I'm going to be bringing into the channel into the future. Enjoy.